kind of knew. I knew the track wasn't really gonna suit my style the best, but I feel the traction was the best it probably could have been at this place. Some of the dirt was actually pretty soft, and I thought it was fun. The track flowed really good, and creek jump was fun. Had a couple gnarly steep hills, and all in all, it was fun. Yeah, coming to this weekend, pretty much just wanted to get through safe and head over to Spain. It was in the back of my mind the whole time. But yeah, I'm excited to get over there and walking the tests and checking out the terrain and getting the racing going.
Race was alright, nothing to write home about. It was super slick in the beginning, which didn't suit me. I was trying to get used to it, riding like a girl at the beginning. But as it tacked up, I rode better and was able to pick off riders towards the end of the race. I mean, I came through first lap, I think 12th, and worked my way up to 6th by the end. So hopefully Spain goes well, and then I'll be back up on the box in Indiana. I'm excited. I can't wait. Flying out Tuesday, so just looking forward to taking home the gold. Hopefully me, Ben, and Clammer can bring home the club trophy.